Hey everybody, it's Jodi and I'm here to tell you all about my Christmas in July Fun Folds class in the mail. If you follow my channel, you may recognize this card. I made this and posted it last week. It's got a fun fold in there. You can see the inside piece comes up when you open the card. It's got that gorgeous poinsettia focal point. You see some shimmer on there. And then after that last week, I went and designed a couple more, because I was just loving these products together. That's a fun pop-out card. And then this one here is also super fun. You've got the belly band on there that slides off, and then it opens left and right. So I had a lot of fun making these cards, and the star of the show with this class is the Pretty Poinsettia bundle. So it's this stamp set, 13 different stamps, as well as the set of dies. So these dies here, those are the detailed ones you see on the focal point right there. So it gives lots of detail with these dies. So with this class, you're going to get this bundle, stamp set and dies. You're going to get a Peaceful Pine ink pad. If you already have this color, you can substitute a different color. And you're going to get the, pretty sure it's called Gingham Gallery 12 by 12 designer paper. There are 10 sheets here, and they are all new in colors. So it just so happens that Peaceful Pine, one of our new in colors, works great with Christmas cards. But guess what? All these other colors that you're going to get with your class, you can take this design, use these colors instead, and make this fun fold a birthday card. This fun fold a thank you card. You can use these for any occasion. So yes, you're going to get the Peaceful Pine and you're going to get your supplies to make these Christmas cards, but you'll also have all these other colors that you could be creative with. Of course, the class comes with a step-by-step tutorial, all the measurements, photos, instructions, everything that you need to easily make these fun fold cards. So you'll get the bundle, stamp set and dies, you'll get the ink pad, you'll get the full package of designer paper, all the cardstock gems, ribbons, envelopes, all that you need to make these three, and it ships directly to you. All of that is included in the class fee. Now, because this particular class includes $75, a little over $75 worth of product, you also qualify for my mystery box, which is a special promotion I'm doing this month. For just $10 more, I'm going to send you a box that is full. I've advertised it as $75 mystery box. It's been more like a $90 mystery box. So you will have the option of that, adding that on when you register for your class. I also have a tutorial only option if that interests you. So go ahead and look in the description here. I'll put the registration link. You'll see exactly what is included, the cost, how you can send payment, and get your hands on these products and tutorial to show you how to make these three fun fold cards for my Christmas in July class. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.